Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Motive Fleet app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Motive Fleet is a fleet management and vehicle tracking app used by transportation and logistics businesses to monitor operations, ensure compliance, and improve safety. It combines GPS tracking, ELD, electronic logging device, features, dashcam footage access, and automated reports into one centralized platform. Fleet managers can track driver hours, vehicle location, fuel usage, and even maintenance needs in real time. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is praised for its clean interface, reliable tracking accuracy, and the ability to generate FMCSA-compliant logs. Drivers find it easy to log duty statuses and submit inspection reports quickly. The built-in dashcam sync feature also allows managers to review incidents and driving behavior more effectively. That said, it's not without issues. Some users report occasional syncing delays with ELD logs, especially in areas with weak internet. There are also mentions of limited customization in reporting and minor glitches during app updates. Still, overall stability and support are considered solid by most users. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Motive Fleet is a powerful choice for businesses looking to manage fleets efficiently while staying compliant. From real-time tracking to safety tools, it offers an all-in-one solution. But for operations with complex reporting needs, the limited customization might be something to consider. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.